Hello everyone, Mehmet from Memli Coffee Lab here, and today we are going back to basics with 3 tips that will improve your coffee under $100. And you'll see that the third one, it's quite unexpected but really important. Number 1, change your coffee, right? Coffee is the main component of your coffee, so improving your coffee selection will ultimately make you a better cup of coffee. And so if you can invest 2, 3, 4, 5 more dollars, pounds, euro, may end up with a better result. If you like a certain roast profile, then you can adventure yourself with different origins. Or if you like a certain origin, then you can check different roast profiles to see which one fits you the best. But usually, by having a higher quality coffee, you will end up with a higher quality cup of coffee. If you like the coffee that you have on the cupping table, you can brew it and you can mimic the taste that you will have on whatever you are brewing your coffee with. So, cup your coffee, see if you like it. If you're not, then change coffee. Tip number 2, check your water. If you have a water treatment system at home, well, you can modify a little bit the reverse osmosis system and a bypass to match the water for coffee specs. If not, well, there's a lot of solutions out there. We have a water kit that can make up to 25-30 gallons of water, where you can control the minerals that you put into the water you use for brewing. So water is also another solvent and a component of your coffee, and improve that by just having maybe a kit or another filtration system. And that will cost you maybe less than $30 for sure. Tip number 3, and that's a really important one. You may think grinders, right? True, grinders is a big component in a coffee quality. However, they're not under $100. Even if you were to change the burrs, often those burrs cost more than $70, $100, even $300. But the third tip and the most important kind of investment you can do to improve your cup of coffee is in you. Yep, by investing in your own coffee education, such as especially in tasting and brewing, you can ultimately taste better and brew a better cup of coffee. Improve your coffee, improve your water, and improve yourself.